Unfortunately, we got white snow. You ever see men walk on water? I come back to Wonder Boy Farm. This is in Florida. Unfortunately, we got white snow last night. This is my organic garden, which if you look here, we got cabbage. If you look here, we got collard green. If you look here, we got scallion. And it's all frozen last night. And when you turn on the sprinkler, that'll keep the frost off of the plants. So that's why you see we got white popsicle right here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. This is in Florida. We got white popsicle. Yeah, and you walk with me up here. We got the sugar cane. Well, it's not bad because the winter don't do it nothing because sprinkler on it. So therefore it don't hurt it. Over here now, we got turnip. The weather don't do turnip anything. So therefore this is winter crop. Over here we got carrots. Crop, you see how the winter do the corn. It freeze up the corn, so I'll just root up these and give the animals them. Beautiful lemons. Lemons we use to make sugar and water. We use it to wash our meat. So we got beautiful lemons over here. So you see I plant this lemon tree and look at it. Look at beautiful lemons on it. Look. It's a lot of lemons. Look. And this is tea bush. This is sorosy. This is good to boil tea. But if you come here, if you look here, ladies and gentlemen, look on lemon on the tree. Right here we got cassava. In Spanish they call it yuca. And we got a lot of cassava here. This is good to eat too. So we got fig over here. Over here we got dashing. That is some of the plants that we pet or eat. Otherwise, if you look at this, this is dashi. This is a farmer rose. But it's down there solid. I don't ready to dig it as yet. And over here we got yam. Lots of yam. The yams go all around here. Wonder Boy coming to you direct, live. But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I need you to subscribe, like, push that notification button, request more Wonder Boy. Come along with me. Over here we got orange trees, but these orange trees perfectly fine. Over here we got a fishing pond, ladies and gentlemen. It's stocked for 8 years and we don't pull no fish over out of it as yet. So we're going to start to pull those fish out of it. You ever see men walk on water, I'm going to walk out in there. We can walk on the deck it's fully stocked. We don't pull no fish out of this fishing pond for 8 years. So you know we got a lot of fish in it. A whole lot of fish in it. This is next for we to pull. Yeah, this pond is overload right now. Lots of fish. I build this pond myself. I rent tractors and I go in and I dig this pond. And I put in liner and generate it up. Over here. Where you raise birds. Over here we raise a lot of pigeons. See a lot of them. But we use all these things. Most of these things for manure for the garden. Organic garden. And see all my ducks them enjoying the pond. Look all the ducks them. See them? So right here we got meat chickens right here. And right here we got the guinea chick. So we got a little bit of everything. You know? And you come right over here. This is my boat that I go fishing in the pond when I'm ready to exercise. I go take my boat, shove it out there, go and fishing and come back in. You know? So we got a hard cross last night. So all these chocho, we got to pick them today. We call it chocho, some people call it gato. But all of this we got to pick them today. Off of the tree. This tree is finished for the winter. Anytime it's frozen, it will spring back, but it ain't gonna spring back until the summer. See? Always find something to eat, ladies and gentlemen. This is good with a lot of different things. This is good to season meat. This is good to make saltfish and chocho. This is good to put into soup. If you have high blood pressure, this is good to eat. Make it light. You know. Over here now I got my orange tree. The winter never trouble them so bad. And this is my passion tree. He never make it. Passion tree never make it. But the root is maybe still good, but this is a passion tree. See it right here? I never make it, but I think the sucker is still good, so let's give thanks. Beautiful orange on the tree. And this is in the state of Florida where I can pick orange. See? Right at my backyard. So that's good. Ladies and gentlemen, if I want something to eat, I just go by my backyard. I cannot hungry. I catch my fish and I go like this and I root me a dasheen.